This is a transparent dressing from Dimora. It's a thin and allergy-free film. It goes on just like it's like waterproof, so like you can get in the shower. This is great for tattoos because it's just the bandage. There's no padding or anything. It's just the cover. It's just the waterproof covering. So this is gonna keep any wounds just nice and covered. So I'd like to thank Dimora for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. This one is 4 inches by 5 inches, comes with 50 in the pack. They go on super easy. They stick well, and yeah, and you just basically put it on, and then you're just gonna peel that back, put it on, and then you peel off the top, and you're just set to go. Look, and you can see it moves just with my skin. Now taking it off, it's probably gonna take my arm hair off. But hey, anything for an Amazon demo, right? No, I'm just kidding. I do appreciate Dimora for sending this to me to review. They're gently yet securely adheres to your skin. It's breathable, it's transparent, and it is waterproof. Awesome, awesome Dimora.